Hello guys, welcome to Uncle Brazil. My name is Rodrigo and in this video we will learn definite articles in Brazilian Portuguese. But first, I invite you to subscribe to my channel to learn more Portuguese and discover Brazil. This content is part of the book, The Brazilian Portuguese Grammar Manual, and you can find more information in the link here in the video description. Now, let's start. First, we need to understand what a definite article is. The definite article defines or individualizes precisely nouns which can be a person, object, or place. In English, you have only one article for all the situations, for masculine, for feminine, for plural, for singular. For example, the boy, the girl, the house, the apartment, the boys, the girls, the houses, the apartments. And in Portuguese, it's different. We have 4 definite articles, one for each situation, because in Portuguese, we need to match in the sentence all the elements, masculine with masculine, plural with plural. Let's see the examples. The first case is the masculine singular, and the article is o. O. Example: o menino, o apartamento. The second case is the feminine singular. Example: a menina, a casa. The next examples are very interesting because I posted this content on my Instagram, and a follower sent me a message. Wow, I didn't know there were articles in plural in Portuguese. So that's it, guys. We have, and this is the case, masculine plural, os meninos, os apartamentos. Here I need to match masculine with masculine and plural with plural. Otherwise, if you don't do that, the sentence is wrong. And the last case is the feminine plural, as meninas, as casais. Let's practice a little bit like I told you. In the sentence, we need to match all the elements properly. Masculine with masculine, feminine with feminine, singular with singular, plural with plural. The sentence needs to have a balance, okay? So have this in mind to answer these questions. What is the correct article to use in the first sentence? The cloud is white. Tananã, nuvem é branca. Which is the correct article, guys? I'll give you 10 seconds. Guys, nuvem, it doesn't end with a, so it's difficult to know the gender, yeah? Masculine, feminine. Nuvem, it's feminine, okay? A nuvem. But I'll give you another tip in this sentence. The last word, branca. This word is indicating that the noun is in the feminine, because branca, it's in the feminine, so the noun is feminine. A nuvem é branca. So now that you know the shortcut, answer the second question. The managers are tall. You got it? Again, the same shortcut. Gerentes is a noun common for both genders, okay? So you can say o gerente, a gerente. But here you have the word altos in the masculine and in the plural. So the correct article would be os. Os gerentes são altos. That's it, guys. Do you want to practice more? I prepared an article with some exercises on my blog. so you can practice more. The link is here in the video description. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. And take a look in the link here in the video description. This book, the Brazilian Portuguese Grammar Manual, can help you a lot to understand our grammar. Okay, guys? See you in the next video. Valeu!